How to change Netflix plan. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your plan in Netflix. In order to begin that, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, you do not need to use a Netflix application for that procedure, as you won't be able to make changes to your plans using an application. Now then, to begin with, first thing you'll have to open up a web browser. Make sure to log in from your web browser. Now type in netflix.com and log in into your Netflix account. Once logged in, select the profile, and that's going to take you to the other interface. So right on this page, you can go ahead and tap the tab bar icon located in the top right hand side corner. After that, you need to scroll down a bit and go to accounts. As soon as you click the accounts button, it's going to take you to your account center page. Over here, scroll down right to the bottom, and so here you'll be able to find plan details. So in order to make changes with your plan, go ahead and tap on change plan. As soon as you do that, next page is going to take you to this interface where you can go ahead and select the one that you wish to do it and click the continue button. As soon as you do that, the plan will be changed. That's basically how you can change plan in Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.